There is a news which is viral because of the intensity of the news that the PUBG mobile has been banned and we can in future use PUBG or not. This is the thing or a question that every child who plays PUBG or a PUBG lover Indian has in mind. So today we are going to talk about this. The Indian government has firstly banned for 59 apps including TikTok and Share It, but it is the second state where Indian government has banned 118 apps including the famous PUBG. As we know, India has a very humongous, humongous large number of PUBG users. As in recent times, because of the tension between the Indian government and the Chinese government in the border dispute case, the PUBG has been banned. For protecting the national integrity and sovereignty of India, Indian government has banned the PUBG and it is the formal reason for banning the PUBG by the Indian Information Technology IT Department Ministry. As we can know, the Tencent is a Chinese company which brings the PUBG mobile app and PUBG Mobile Lite, two apps which are the apps that facilitate a user to play PUBG in their mobile. But because of the Chinese company, India has banned PUBG, by which the Tencent, which company made PUBG apps, the Tencent gone in loss because of the huge fan base loss or user base loss in India. Tencent has lost $42 billion. That is a huge amount, as you can understand. $42 billion. But if you really want to play PUBG, then there is a way to play PUBG. PUBG is originally made for desktop by the South Korean company, and later on the Tencent company of China has purchased the rights for making apps for PUBG for mobile. There are two apps you know already. As the South Korean company or the South Korea and India doesn't have any tension, by his there is a way to play a PUBG in the desktop. You can play a PUBG in desktop, but you cannot play PUBG in mobile because of the Chinese government apps and the Chinese apps. Simple. And in later future or in earlier future, there is no any sign of the ban again restrained or lifted. The ban will remain until the tension between the India and the Chinese border will be solved. And as we have seen, there is no any clue when the border dispute will be solved and when there is the ban will be lifted or not. So in near future there is no any sign of that. At last I only want to say you that if you really want to play PUBG, then go to the desktop and play. Then if you want to play games in mobile, then you can find many games, not PUBG only. There are many games that are like PUBG. You can play Free Fire, you can play many other games. Vice City, GTA has also been able to be played in the mobile because of today's generation's mobile, which are of very high capacity, of high technological ideas and high RAM. We can see our mobile has today 8 GB of RAM and you can play the humorous game or very high level game also in very high quality, as mostly some app only the desktop has 4 GB but the mobile phone has 8 GB of RAM in some of the cases. So at last I want to say that if you like this video, then subscribe the channel, and if you want the technological news as well as gaming news, then you can come here and search for those news. I used to put videos only in routing of the application, but I want to extend the area, and so I'm going to post videos about the technologies, games, and the news that are in viral state today. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.